Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set time options on the marine traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, scroll down at the left bar, and you can find the units and time section under the notifications. Just scroll down, and here you can find the last section, the time display options. You can select the default, the always UTC, the local time, the my local time, or the differential. Actually, I use the default, but if you want to select the local, the differential, for example, just click that and you can see that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.